OMG. I hate to say it, but I have no date. 13 years now. Every year, every Valentine's Day, I have no date. Shit. OMG. FUCK. But whoever is available, and wants to date me, just contact me and I'll be there. I just realized I have no date still. It's okay. I'm just gonna go to my Zumba. Actually, I'm not in the mood today because no comment. No comment. See you later, TikTokers. Who wants to date me? I'm available. Happy Valentine's. Love you, TikTok and TikTokers. Mwah.